Today we're trying to make a drink koozie magnetic by adding a few magnets. I sewed a strip of suede on the side with little pockets inside. We could stick 2 magnets to make the can stick to a fridge or any other metal surface. Here it is, sticking pretty well to a car. Works pretty nice for tailgating. Naturally, it sticks well to the side of the toolbox.
BCC1.
So the rest of this video shows us trying various magnets stuck into the pockets of the material to see which one works best. What's too strong, what's too weak.
Not quite as nice as the grab as the bigger one, but it's pretty close.
Still works.
Pretty similar. BC81. It's a little loose in this pocket.
Yeah.
Ideally, it'd be a little snugger, but.
This one's interesting because
Just
it seems to
barely.
work at first,
Oh, look
but
at
then
that.
as we try it out,
So that's,
it wouldn't quite hold.
it doesn't slide.
Turns out as the magnets
off.
slid down in the pocket, they got closer together and didn't have as much leverage.
Oh, look at that. That was sagging to the bottom. I pushed it up to the top. It's just barely enough. Stay 2 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch by 1/8. Alright. Quite sturdy, but
Works.
works.
See if I can get my hand in there.
Shooting. Shooting. BCC2.
These blocks really had the nicest feel of all the ones we tested.
One down the bottom.
Of course, if you make your own, your answer might be different. Maybe your material's thicker or thinner, and that could change your answer. Definitely consider trying a few different magnet sizes to see what feels best for you.
It's pretty good. Pretty good.